some for the fancy door and matna say and the pay mezen commercial if we had a bro special thanks uncle Macafe Banwa for the Dibia will be when I bought to home and me to get nasi or had a chun come when the breakfast no look good pa or some sweet taste good pa you know say a per breakfast papa na de bia we are bre and then bribina pede easy papa for when you watch had a jolo police station in Channel Honoma na bra na beji when you are had na ade pay menye kuku dem bi pa na menye no atena se na yeah yatena nka check akwa meka de 2000s no mu na yatena nka enwom ze waye bi papa hit songs so that me okrom had back to back onya sam kakra ba me care pa no your personal person no my personal favorite for like 10 years and I don't know say I like most wish because it was my #1 song. And you money come up papa or my hen Vera also Kotomoshi makada mo bobon hit songs naza papa no why ukrom had ya why ejuma papa you de or ye hip hop rapper now so no asani entrepreneur kese pa ukrom had ya or ye business be anything business bohunu mission that and my first time musician make it or acting so kakwa or had a nti nkomoni gina no o kire man dem what maybe say bibia pede maybe say bibia nti me what you chon kom papa deep black good morning what's done
ayo
aya okay
no hunye
no I don't know I ejuma pa o
me da se
back to back I ejuma pa my yenhwe before about into music no na then
na mo school
okay
na mo UCC I was studying economics so na me ba University of Ghana Legon
okay
I be a BFA theater arts and music
okay
it's me and
I started there in your
into music
okay the most one we rap no more English first na hardcore English be pow I mean for first na tell you to rap I can't rap with you
Reggie Rockston na I'm switch kakra about something a bit more local yeah because na mintum rap tree at all in the occasion the on trauma man and Oma will be trauma man and I'll be sending it to me a pigeon so you know I'm there
okay
so that was my first pigeon song based off advice na Radio Stone and it went well so I decided okay you know what once in a while I say I switch it I say more collaborations with other artists who were making music in local language. That's when I started switching to. Very much so.
Okay.
So personal person. Yeah.
Okay. Into no, nature and you Reggie were very good friendship.
Yes, I was. a road manager for a very long time.
Wow.
For about 2-3 years, and Sana, I became an artist myself.
I see.
So every day, and it took one. You know.
I see.
So I've known him since I was 18 till now, so about 20 years.
Okay. Thank you. And you know, actually, most of America there in English rap doesn't know. The English ni share no wa himfa. It's not brochure another.
Okay, so my papa half British, half Ghanaian. And mama so Ghanaian fully. Until I was fear, from Ghana and Amoka. There was hardly. But now my mama's side, so I ain't crying for side. I'm can't. Monsieur tree, I was boarding school. I call produce. I work for it. For 3 years, I started to say, Monsieur tree, kaka.
Is it 3 years between now? It's a pure way best in that.
2x4.
I as a papa. I as a papa. Now you pay. See, how difficult is it? for obia orientation na growing up English na sisia tree as a tree fra another
tree na me fra na tree bia 5% and tree kese bia
but my very rap na mama because I'm tree
no but very rap na tree
okay
it's full pigeon
yes
yeah, it's full pigeon
you've never done
I've never done a tree song ever before
when is the first one
me too.
Oh God!
It's not possible.
Watch your move,
even I tried with Castro on Seho. I made mistakes. 3 mistakes.
Okay. Masasi. Now, one of the artists who made who they and shut down Trayvon controversy.
No, not at all.
Say there are negative narratives about you out there. And minimum they will be aware, Anna. Okay, but I'm from
yeah.
Oh, nice. Where are him? Ebasa. Wow.
Yes, sir. Then Ebasa.
Me and say you tree. Ebasa fancy.
Okay.
Inti nice.
Yeah.
Being you
2 girls, 1
boy.
Yeah.
And Wagana ha.
Yeah.
Okay. Into no say it's some be negative some out there. How do you feel?
My friend there it comes with the job and you can't escape it. Even the most amazing, the biggest artists and entertainers and celebrities and political figures in the world go through it. And how much more me, even Nyamekra, so I take it as any human neighbor. It can't always be positive and goodness all throughout. Once in a while, you have to go through trials and tribulations. Maybe one or two of how to move next time and how to take better care of yourself.
Okay.
So that you can also impart that same type of knowledge and answer when you're free to the next person. So it doesn't really bother me. You have to, and especially in this industry, you can't survive if you don't have tough skin. So I take it as it's part of the game.
Okay. Okay. Into no now the news now they about outside the woman can enter one. How do you manage?
And do side level that.
Okay.
Never gone into the level of my baby some. I don't have a lot of negativity around me. By the grace of God, it was a very, very smooth journey for me.
Okay.
The negative rights are very, very.
Oh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, but you say it's somehow. And I'm a kind of maybe so BBI.
Yeah, you can ask me anything. But
okay.
I've been here for 15 years. It can't be a clean 15 years. And many some and yet 1, 2, 3 be.
Okay.
There's other people that I started with and who even started before me. Almost same year.
That'd be brave.
Okay. So it's one of those
From that
things.
angle, no matter they can
it's showbiz. My family know my job. They know what I'm into, and it comes with the say a balance. And my kids, I'm 15, 12. They're still young.
Okay. Okay. Our club business Onyx, Club Onyx. Okay. Now, a come had a perception be for club owners. So, one of run clubs who come house where pimps now. Means that to be a. Now, to be the method then.
Then I mean, from. So there's nothing lucrative about being a pimp in Ghana. It's just a business that I love and I enjoy, and I'm very passionate about. More club, more lounge, more restaurants. I love hospitality. That's what my mother did for 30 years straight. Meaning, my mother was in the hospitality business from the day she started working to the day she retired. So I took the business from my father. Music was a talent I had, and I was passionate about hospitality. So I'm in this business because I love it. has been able to take care of myself and my family and everybody around me for so many years, you know. And that's the only reason why I do it, nothing else.
But in see, the pain, but some that's all come from winning on your car.
It's not possible.
Oh, I ask some more. Okay. Matter. Intino,
maybe it will be a shot until I say what pimp is. So you have to explain. It will be a my PI,
okay. Now change you,
yeah.
Okay. Intino, a lot of collaborations, music collaborations. Or be all happy that you collaborator in your chance and in your collaboration yet.
No, every collaboration that I've thought about or wanted to do has always come to pass. My album and my last album before I took a break was when I had Personal Person with Castro. I had a song. I really wanted to do a song with Ofori Aponsa. I was able to do it. You know, there are certain people that I've always wanted to collaborate with, and it always comes to pass. You know, I wanted to do a gospel song.
Okay.
On every album.
Okay.
And I did it for my first 5 albums, but there were songs that I did on my own or with other artists in other genres of music besides gospel. But on this album, I wanted to do something with a gospel artist.
Okay.
And I reached out to Joyce Blessing, and we're able to do that too.
Okay.
So I haven't tried and failed yet. Every collabo that I wanted to do has come to pass.
That's one new song, as you say, gospel song. No?
Yeah.
The title of that,
a gospel song. I mean,
it's a baby song, by able to honor. And you
Amazing Grace.
Amazing Grace.
Yeah.
And Joyce Blessing.
And
Okay. Now, I am not here a Christian for no way or my etikaka. Even the Christian for have there been any backlash or be a kabibi?
No.
Nothing.
It's a beautiful song, and it's a collaboration between a hip hop artist, a high life artist,
and a gospel
artist. And we are just thanking God for His amazing grace.
Okay.
It's nothing too crazy, you know. It's a beautiful song, and every single person, be related.
Okay.
You know, so. I mean, I don't think there should be any backlash. It's a beautiful collabo.
Okay, I guess it. That's you don't think. But maybe said, have you had any?
No, not at all. There's even a version of song. You'll release it, I think, in about a month. That's the choir, Action Chapel Choir.
Okay.
The collaborative on a version of that song. It's a live version with a choir with Archbishop Duncan Williams, Elsie. She's a singer, also on the song. You see that also very, very soon.
Nice.
So it's a song that's for the people, it's for anybody that believes in the Lord and Father Jesus Christ and God Almighty and are spiritual and are grateful for what God has done for them.
Okay.
It's for anybody that believes in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Into a church boy, Echo Church, Wayne?
Action Chapel.
Okay.
I was born into the Anglican church.
Nice.
I was raised in the Anglican church. I went to a church school. I went to a rich church school. Every Wednesday, sorry.
Okay.
After Richard School, I went to Pope John's Junior Secondary School and Seminary. They be a raising pastors.
Okay.
That's where I went to.
Wow.
High school also. So I'm a full church boy. A lot of people don't know.
Looking at that background now, you own a club, no?
Yeah, a club is not
conflicting.
No, it's not. Not at all. It's our perception of nightclub and bathroom. Nightlife is recreational.
Okay.
Alcohol is not a sin. The abuse of alcohol.
No, you want.
And then I
also no member.
Yes.
Okay.
And yes, a member. No, but have your limits.
Okay.
Don't exceed and be silly with it. You know? And it always says on the bottle, drink responsibly.
Responsibly.
You know, so you can't be a straight arrow. Once in a while, I say I could do it, and I'm able to provide that experience for you in a safe place. You know.
Okay. Amazing Grace.
Yeah.
CCR no, no, latest to cry.
Yes. Everywhere. The video is out on YouTube.
Okay.
It's on TV. It's on this station as well. It will be enjoy it in your cars, on your phones, If you better type D Black Amazing Grace, you get it with Just Blessing and Kwabna. And there's a whole entire album with 15 songs. Every month we're gonna give you a video from the album. This is the album.
Nice. It's an album is in the
Ghanaian
visa.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Nice. But it's every month you bring one song from the Ghanaian visa.
Yes, one song from the Ghanaian visa.
How
one
many
video.
Songs?
15.
Hey, it's for the next 15 months.
So for the next 8 months, we have 8 singles, 8 videos off the album.
Okay.
So from April till Christmas.
Okay.
I'll give you a video every month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Nice, Papa. I mean, just about that you more doing in our bay camera. You know, one thing me encourage me viewers in the day, artists from and that's your investment. And who's getting on that shim you know, say, Edro D Black. Now, support D Black in anywhere. The best thing able to my able streaming in your examano. But run streaming, you know, and young him be an over so, but a lot of money. Zamanobo to run other projects.
Yeah.
As much as possible. One more na 1 year. Now, D Black, you time on air no local. But you know what you're that which you come into no me pede ye jahon over hadi amazing grace. Well, last words it will be a pede
thank you for the support. Go check out album. The Ghanaian Visa is out everywhere. Amazing Grace is the first single. The songs with Stoneboy, Kidi, Kwame Eugene, Rocky Dawuni, so many other artists, Miss V. There's a very new artist also on there called Paul Noun, B-Strap. It's a lovely album. Go check it out. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love.
You know, what you know, thank you. No. I was about you need to know, but be Joe had a that's what Papa Cafe Banoa and Yamisha one is Bano Abba. Boy and Anna do Charo had these and so no matter what young commando didn't know. Shiam, Ati. Keep a date with us now. You're about your common drone. To know is the fancy doll president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Obed and on UPD, no one may production. I think I'm sure Papa Weber one more studio on Richmond, which you're winning now, but I want to so to know me the best here. Yamia do my best na yishia.